My name is Carin and this is Zachariah, and today I'm going to show you how to do a back carry with the Oscha Baby Size Cairis Carrier. So what you're going to do is I'm going to put my baby on the front like this, and I'm going to pull this panel up so it's on the back of his neck. I'm going to put one strap over my arm, and then while I am holding his bum, I'm gonna hip scoot him. So I just move and bounce all the way to the back. And once he's kind of on my back, I'm going to swing my arm over, bounce him again. I'm gonna grab this strap with my right hand, pull it over, and tuck it under my knee. Now, while my hand is still on his bum, I'm going to take the other strap, pull it over his shoulder, tighten it, and put it under my knee. Now, baby's on my back, both straps are on my shoulders. I'm gonna stand up, tighten, and now you're gonna do it like a rock. So I'm going to put this strap behind my leg, or behind my arm, sorry, over baby's leg, under baby's leg, between my knees. Tighten, behind my arm, over baby's leg, cross under his bum, under his other knee. And now I'm going to tie off on the front. And that's it. It's that simple. So now he's nice and comfy and happy. And that's it.